Hey guys, what's going on? It is me, Sam Caratala. I'm actually out here at Toll Brothers' newest community in Fulshear. This is Pecan Ridge. I'm about to give you a tour of the Matagorda floor plan. This is over 2,800 square feet. It's 4+ bedrooms. This property is amazing, guys. Let's take a tour. Also, keep in mind that this is Toll Brothers' cheapest community in all of Houston right now. And again, my name is Sam Caratala. For over 25 years, we have been helping buyers and sellers when it comes to real estate, especially when it comes to new construction. We know what we're talking about. Salespeople, they represent the builder. They do not represent you. Leverage us, leverage our experience, and make sure that you get a great deal on your property. Make sure that we are able to negotiate a great price. Make sure that we're looking after your best interest every step through the process. Give us a call. Thanks, guys.